All right, good morning, everyone, and welcome to our science class. All right, so last week I gave...
Good morning, teacher.
Okay, good morning.
Teacher.
All right, thank you. How are you today?
I am happy and you?
I am good.
I am 7 years.
All right, everybody, turn up your microphone. All right, so class.
I am 8 years old.
All right, so last week I gave you a homework, right? Kindly open your workbook on page number 11. Your science workbook. That's going to be on page number 11. Just a second. Let me share the page for you, okay?
Teacher, ใช่หน้าที่11ไหม 11
Yes, 11. Math, no, not math, but science workbook. All right, so let's try to answer your homework. So I want you to check your answer if it's correct. If it's wrong, then change it to the correct answer. Okay, again, let's check your workbook or your homework on page number 11. Let's see if you got the correct answer, and if it's wrong, then you should change the answer from wrong to correct answer, okay? Are you ready? All right, so okay, so I will let you read the question, and after reading the question, so you have to provide the correct answer, okay? Or you have to provide your answer. So I'm gonna choose one student at a time. All right, so let's start with Bowie. You go first. Read question number 1, and then after reading the question, then answer it, or you can give us your answer. Okay? All right, so number 1.
Which of the following is a living thing?
Oh, I think we've done with this, right? Hold on. I think I've got, hold on. Just give me 1 second, class. We've done with this one. I am sorry. So this is chapter 1. So we'll go in chapter 2. Okay. All right. So go ahead, Bowie.
In which part of a plant does photosynthesis almostly take place?
Okay, what's your answer? A, stem, B, leaf, C, flower, or D, roots? Again, in which part of a plant does photosynthesis mostly take place? So where does photosynthesis happen? Is it stem? Is it what letter? Okay, class, Bowie said it's letter C, flower. Is it correct?
No.
Okay, what is the correct answer for number 1?
B.
B. What is letter B?
Leaf.
Okay, so the correct answer for number 1 is letter B, leaf. So photosynthesis takes place in the leaf. Okay. All right, number 2. Check your answer. Ashita, number 2.
Which of the following show a plant with
Ashita, there's a letter S here, so this is gonna be shows and then plants. Don't forget the S.
Response to light.
Okay, which of the following shows a plant's response to light? So what is your answer, Ashita?
A.
Ashi, what's your answer? Just give it a try. Letter, what letter?
C.
Letter C, wilting of a balsam plant.
Balsam plant.
Ah, okay. So, all right. So Ashita's answer is letter C. Students, letter C, is it the correct answer? Yes or no?
Now. No.
Ah, so yeah, it's a no, but thank you, Ashita, for trying your best to answer number 2. Okay, who can give me the correct answer for number 2? What do you think is the best answer?
B.
Brave?
B.
B. All right, so the answer for number 2 is letter B. Morning glory plant climbing up a fence. Ah, okay. Have you seen a
No.
morning glory plant?
I have never seen. Yes, I do, but I never seen them climb. Plants
Okay.
don't have hands.
All right, well, let me try to check and find a video or a picture of a morning glory plant, okay? I'll show you, just give me 1 second.
Show a video that they climbing a fence. They don't
Sure.
have hands.
Ah, okay. Let me just go ahead and find the video for you, okay? Hold on.
They have hands.
All right, so I found the video, class. I'm gonna share it to you. So this is the morning glory climbing in a fence. So this,
Hi, welcome to my backyard here. These are my morning glory vines.
you see?
Oh, but they don't climb.
Backside.
Yeah.
I really love morning.
I don't see
glory
their.
for many reasons.
And see.
Grows
And
very
see.
quickly. It's actually
house.
invasive, but it's so beautiful.
Oh,
I just
house.
have it everywhere. And this is a morning.
So have you seen this flower here in Thailand?
No. Yeah.
Oh,
Yes, teacher.
yeah, so this is the morning glory flower and this is the morning glory plant. So if you can see, class, morning glory
Flower. This is the
are actually
grandpa
climbing
variety.
up to the fence.
The
So you
leaves can
see?
grow to be quite big depending
They
on
don't have.
how
Put
big
that.
your
Wow. Climb. I don't say wow.
morning glory plant has to grow. As you can see here, it's all over the.
All right, so that's the morning glory plant. Let's see the balsam plant. Have you seen balsam plant?
Yes, I do.
All right, let me show it to you.
I don't see.
Here.
It's called a black.
So this is a balsam plant.
I don't see.
Have you seen this before?
बालसम प्लांट के बारे में बात करूंगी वेरी
No.
इजी टू ग्रो प्लांट है मेरे ख्याल ये इस मौसम में करीब करीब हर घर में मिल जाता है ये प्लांट ये मैं जब मैंने शॉपिंग अपनी टुडे शॉपिंग वाला वीडियो डाला था उसमें दिखाया था
I'm sorry, it's not English. It's okay.
But it's saying English.
And this is the mimosa. The mimosa plant. Have you seen this before?
Oh, the mimosa was flat.
Yeah, when you touch it, when you touch the mimosa plant, it will close.
See,
This
see,
one.
and see. In my heart right now.
All the sensitive
I'm gonna go outside and
quite a
check.
part of the plant
So look,
jiggles or
it
touches
touches
the
the
leaves
mimosa
collapse.
plant and it
This is a plant
close.
that kids really love.
Yeah.
Yeah, it
Actually
closes.
doing something.
Oh.
Mimosa pudica
What
is
is
actually
this? Get
a
about closes
habitat
too.
in South America.
I like that.
Four areas. It's the legume, so it actually fixates.
Have you seen mimosa plant before?
Teacher, yeah, what is this? I see that.
Okay.
Teacher, what is this?
All right, so class, let's continue now with answering your workbook. All right, so now let's proceed to number 3. Just give me 1 second. Let me just share the page one more time.
Really? Bye-bye.
Okay, everyone turn off your microphone. All right, who would like to answer or read and answer number 3? Raise your hand. Try. Number 3. No one? Okay, I'm gonna call a name. Brave, number 3. Read number 3 and can you also give me the correct answer? Oh,
Which of which of
these
these
keeps
keep a plant stem ขอดูนะครับ
firm,
มันไม่
firm and upright.
firm and fresh.
All right, so which of these keeps a plant stem firm and upright? So what's your answer, Brave? Is it A, carbon dioxide, B, oxygen, C, nutrients, or D, water?
D water.
Okay, so the answer is letter D. So when you say firm and upright, so that's gonna be like stiff, okay? Like stiff or strong. All right, number 4, Nemo.
We walk to the meat by a plant to make food.
Okay, so which of these are needed by a plant to make food? A, oxygen and water only. B, sunlight and carbon dioxide only. Letter C, sunlight, oxygen, and water. Or letter D, sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water. What is your answer?
D. D.
Letter?
A.
No, it's letter D. It's letter D. That's gonna be sunlight, and then carbon dioxide and water. Okay. So for number 3, it's letter D. For number 4, it's also letter D. All right, so turn your book or your workbook on page number 12. So let's answer number 5. Otto, number 5. Otto, number 5.
Teacher, may I go to the toilet, please?
Yes, you may.
When does a plant carry out photosynthesis?
Okay, what's your answer?
C.
What is letter? What is letter? What is letter C?
Throughout day and night.
Okay, let's try to check if your answer is correct. So the answer for number 5 is
A.
again
A.
letter.
It's A. It's A.
Okay, what is letter A?
Only during the day.
Let's see. It's letter D.
What?
When there is light.
I'm so confused.
Okay, only during the day. But what if the plant is inside the house and no light, but it's day? So there should be light. So the answer is letter D. Are you still confused?
Yep.
Okay, so again, for example, today is like we have sunny day. And then I'm gonna put the plant inside my room. But in my room is dark, but it's actually daytime. So the plant will die because no light. So the best answer is letter D, when there is light. Do you understand question number 5? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do. Yes,
Oh.
I do. Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I
Also,
do.
can you explain to your friends about question number 5? Can you explain it in Thai? Or no?
I'm not a Thai person.
All right, it's okay. I think everyone understood the question. Okay, let's proceed to number 6. Kampi, number 6. Ning grew
Ning grew
some sprouts
some sprouts in a
container.
container. The plants.
The picture
Shows
shows
so the
sprouts
sprout
after.
after 5 days.
Okay, so I'm gonna read one more time. Ning grew some sprouts in a container. The picture shows the sprouts after 5 days. So this is the container. Oh no, this is the soil, right? And this is the sprouts. And after 5 days, the sprouts look like this. So which container did Ning use to grow the sprouts? So here are the containers. Container A, container B, container C, and container D. So if you can see, class, the direction of this sprout is going to this direction. It's on the left side. Why is that so? Tamay, why the growth of these sprouts grow towards on this direction? What do you think? So what container did Ning use to grow the sprouts? A, B, C, or D? What is your answer, Kampi?
A.
Letter A. Letter A is no. There is no light over here. Okay, class, what's your answer for number 6?
C.
Letter C? No.
D.
Okay, the answer is letter B. Class, do you see this one? This hole right here? So this hole right here gives light to the sprouts. So that's why the growth of the sprouts, it goes to this direction on the left side. So the answer for number 6 is letter B. Teacher Ja, are you there?
Yeah.
Teacher, are you able to explain question number 6 why the answer is letter B?
เขาปลูกต้นไม้ใช่ไหมคะแล้วเขาก็ถามว่าที่อันไหนที่เขาจะใช้ในการปลูกต้นไม้ได้ Teacher, can you explain again?
Okay. So Ning grew some sprouts in a container, and then the picture shows the sprouts after 5 days. So this is the sprout. So the sprout grows in
อันนี้ปลูกมาแล้ว5 วัน
this direction, left, on the left side. So what is the container Ning used to grow the sprout? So the answer is B, because there is a light over here. The hole over here gives light to the sprout. So the sprout grows to this direction.
นักเรียนเห็นต้นไม้ไหมคะ มันเอียงไปทางด้านซ้ายมือ นั่นเพราะว่ากล่องที่เป็นข้อ B อะค่ะ มันมีแสงเข้า จากทางด้านซ้ายมือนักเรียนเห็นไหมเอ่ยเห็นไหมคะที่เป็นกล่องรูมันจะอยู่ด้านทางซ้ายมือนะคะแล้วต้นไม้เนี่ยมันก็เอ็นไปหาแสงอะค่ะดังนั้นกล่องที่เขาใช้จึงเป็นข้อ B ถ้าเป็นข้อ C ก็มีแสงเหมือนกันแต่แสงอยู่ด้านบนถูกต้องไหมคะต้นไม้มันไม่ได้เอ็นขึ้นมันไม่ได้ชูขึ้นไปด้านบนนะคะแต่มันเอ็นไปทางด้านซ้ายแสดงว่ามันเอ็นไปหาแสงทางด้านซ้ายอะค่ะกล่อง B ก็เลยถูกต้องนะคะพอเข้าใจไหมลูกต้นไม้มันเอ็นไปตามแสงอะค่ะแสงอยู่ทางไหนมันก็จะเอ็นไปทางนั้นลูก
Okay, thank you very much, Teacher Ja. Do you understand, class? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do. Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. So now let's proceed to number 7. And number 7, I'm going to choose
C.
Pakai. Pakai, can you read number 7?
Oh. A plant can stay
Alive
alive
without,
without
okay, what's your answer?
without C.
What is letter C?
Oh my god. Oh god.
Fertilize. Fertilizers. Okay, letter C is fertilizers. Okay, I'm gonna read one more time. Number 7. A plant can stay alive without fertilizers. So the answer is letter C. Very good. Okay, number 8, page number 13. Page number 13, number 8, Dukdik.
What a giant can need?
Again, what does?
What does a pin need
Plant.
to use? Need to use the energy from food.
Okay, so what does a plant need to use the energy from food? Dukdik, what's your answer for number 8?
D.
Letter D, water. All right, so the answer for number 8 is, it's letter C. The answer is letter C, oxygen. Again, what does a plant need to use the energy from food? So that's gonna be oxygen, okay? Letter C. Okay, number 9. Number 9, I'm gonna choose Konkao.
What
Which
are three
these are absorbed
absorbed by plant
roots.
roots.
Okay, which of these are absorbed by plant roots? Okay, Tunkao, what's your answer for number 9? So we need 2 answers here. 2 correct answers. What do you think are the 2 answers?
B and D.
B and D. Let's see. The answer is letter C and letter D. So you've got 1 correct answer, which is letter D, but the other one is incorrect. So the answers are letter C, which is water, and letter D, nutrients. So remember, the roots absorb water and nutrients from the soil. Okay.
Teacher
Yes.
Teacher
Yes.
นุชเทียนเขาว่าอะไรอ่ะ
Again, Pakai.
สารอาหารสารอาหาร
อ่า
ปะกาย
ใช่ค่ะสารอาหาร หนูเขียนไว้ในหนังสือตัวเองได้นะ เขียนไว้เลยค่ะ
Teacher, what was the question of Pakai?
He want to know the meaning of nutrients.
Ah, okay. And who answered his question?
Brave.
Oh, very good, Brave. That's good. Thank you. All right, so number 10. Which of this? Oh, I'm sorry. I'm gonna choose Namonitro, number 10. Namo number 10, please.
Week of the can happy in hair
Healthy.
healthy หางก็
Okay, which of this can help in healthy plant growth? Namo, what's your answer?
A and B
A and B. Let's see. The answer is A and B. Wow, very good. So the answer for number 10 are A and B. So A, that's going to be add nutrients to the soil. And letter B, remove weeds. Good job, Namo. Okay, now class, let's continue. Page number 14. Page number 14. So we have a subjective questions. All right, so I'm gonna call Perm to answer letter A. So look at the picture below. We have what vegetable is this? What vegetable are these?
carrots
Carrots, okay. So question letter A. Perm, question letter A na, Ani, this one. All right. Can you read question letter A? Perm, this one, Ani. Why
do
farmers
must need to
remove
live more
the oh, you're gone. Where are you from? So class, I'm gonna read letter A now. Why do farmers need to remove the weeds? All right, so why they need to remove the weeds? This is because the weeds rob. So these are the possible answers. Sunlight, what else? Sunlight, what else?
water
Water, what else?
nutrient
Nutrients, very good, Brave. So the reason why farmer remove the weeds because the weeds will also get the sunlight, the water, and the nutrients from the crops. So they need to be removed. Okay, so kindly copy the answers, which is sunlight, water, and nutrients. Class, do you understand letter A question? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
yes I do yes I do
Okay.
I do
Are you done?
I'm gone teacher
Okay,
Done.
very good, Brave.
don't teacher I am done
Okay. All right. Yeah, I think everyone are done. So let's proceed to letter B. Letter B, Jija. Jija, can you read letter B?
Oh my gosh. Yeah. Name one authority the order the farmer can help me eat the
Healthy
go go
of
up.
crops. Okay, I'm gonna read one more time. Letter B. Name one other way the farmers can help in the healthy growth of crops. So what are the other things that the farmer use to have a healthy growth of crops? Starts with letter F.
Fertilizer.
Let's see, I'm also not sure. Fertilizers, very good. So farmers, they add fertilizers to the soil. Class, this one, change it with letter Z na. Z. Change letter S to letter Z, fertilizers.
Teacher Mary, I'm done.
Okay. Question letter B, do you understand the question? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Teacher Maria, I'm done. Yes,
Okay. Very good.
teacher, I'm done.
Okay, very good.
I'm done. Teacher Maya, my hair is raining now. Finish. Teacher, I'm done.
Okay. Let's proceed to number 12. Number 12. All right. Number 12. Atom, number 12. Atom. Atom, can you read number 12? All right, who would like to read number 12? Raise your hand. Okay, Otto. Ah, you're not opening your workbook na?
Pakuy.
Otto, number 12. Oh, you did not open your book?
My internet just went off. So that's
Okay, so what? Okay, question number 12. The following.
the following.
Pakai, do you want to read number 12?
แค่บอกเพื่อนเฉยๆนะ
Okay, go ahead, Pakai.
The following shows a box
Process.
that
Any process.
that takes place in
Place. Any place that.
place in a plant.
Okay, can you read this?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, this one.
บวก water
Plus.
water
This one.
water light sugar food.
What is this?
Oxygen.
Plus oxygen. Okay. All right. So I'm going to read one more time. The following shows a process that takes place in a plant. So we have carbon dioxide plus water. And then we have light over here. And then sugar, which is the food, plus oxygen. So letter A, question letter A. Name the process. What process is this? Anyone?
Carbon dioxide.
No, what is the?
Photosynthesis.
Oh,
Photosynthesis.
yes, that's correct. So the answer is photosynthesis. So this process is called photosynthesis, okay? Carbon dioxide plus water and then light, then it will give us sugar or food and then oxygen. So that's the process, photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Marie and John.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
Okay, next up
Teacher,
we
I'm
have, okay, good job. Bella, letter B.
Left.
Letter B.
Please half of the hands
Takes.
in carbon dioxide.
Okay, so which part of the plant takes in carbon dioxide? So which do you think? What?
Nutrient.
No, which part of the plant?
Left.
Let's see. Leaf. Okay, very good. Leaf, L-E-A-F. Well, kids, you impressed me.
Teacher, I'm done.
I'm very glad that you were able to give me the correct answer. I was surprised. Okay, very good.
Pakai am lead.
Okay, letter C. I'm gonna call
Pakai.
Ding, 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 ding. Gail. Gail, letter C.
With part of the
Oh, Pakai. I said Gail, not Pakai. Okay, Gail, it's your turn.
Turn on your microphone. Turn on your microphone.
Okay, Gail, you turn on your microphone, please. All right, can you read letter C? Which part of the plant takes in water? Okay, so I'm gonna read one more time. Which part of the plant takes in water?
Root.
How do you spell root?
Leaf.
How do you spell
I'm done.
root? So that's R-O-O-T-S.
Done. Yes.
Okay, do you understand?
I'm done.
All right, very good. Class, do you understand question number 12, A, B, and C? Yes, I do. No, I
Yes,
don't.
I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. I do.
Okay, very good. All right, so we are now on the last page of chapter 2, page number 15.
เรื่องเมล็ด
So this is the last one. Okay, Brave. I want you to read number 1, this one. Carries out.
carries out and
Experiment
experiments
as shown below.
as shown below.
All right, so Ning carries out an experiment as shown below. So this is the experiment Ning carries out, okay? So there is a lamp. So the lamp serves as the sunlight, all right? And then we also have a container, and the container has water, it has plants, it has funnel. So this one is funnel. And this one is test tube. All right, test tube. So question letter A. Name a plant process that needs light. Can you name a plant process that needs light? Letter A. Name a plant process that needs light. So what are the process of a plant? Or process happens inside the plant? What do you think? All right, so I'm gonna give you the correct answer, class. The answer for this one is, hold on, photosynthesis. All right, remember we have sunlight, and then we have water, and then we have the oxygen or the carbon dioxide here, this one. This little circle, these are oxygens, okay? All right, letter B. Bowie, can you read letter B, please?
Please notice that there's are
Gas bubbles.
gas bubbles in the water. What gas do these bubbles contains?
Okay, so I'm gonna read one more time. So she notices that there are gas bubbles in the water. So what gas do these bubbles contain? So class, do you see this small circle, this one? So these are bubbles, right? This one, the white circle, these are bubbles, that one. So the question is, what are these gas bubbles? Ani Alay, what do you think are these? What do you think? Are these bubbles?
Oxygen.
Oxygen?
Oxygen.
Okay, let's try to check if your answer is correct. Oxygen, very good. So these are oxygen. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do. I do. Yes, I do.
Okay, very good. Now, letter C. Campi, letter C. Campi, letter C. Can you read letter C? Ning, switch off the lamp.
Mean switch off the lamp.
Ah, okay. So it says here that Ning switch off, like she turned off or switch off the lamp. So let's see. Will she observe more or fewer gas bubbles? Do you think she will see or observe more, less, or more gas bubbles? What do you think?
Less.
Let's
Less.
see. She will observe less or fewer gas bubbles. That's correct. Fewer or less, it's the same, okay? So when Ning switch off the lamp, so she observes fewer gas bubbles or less gas bubbles. And number two, why is it so? Kamai, why? Why fewer gas bubbles? What do you think? Why is it so? Kamai, fewer gas bubbles.
Because light is oxygen. Light is oxygen.
Again, like what?
Light oxygen.
No, let's see.
What?
This is because
It's
light is needed for photosynthesis to take place. So when
That's what I'm saying.
So when there is no light, then photosynthesis will not happen. So that's why we need light, or light is needed for photosynthesis to take place. All right, so that's all for chapter 2.
And then we will go to chapter 3.
I'll give you 5 minutes to copy the answer, okay? And by next week, we will have our science practice test for chapter 2. So I want everybody to study chapter 2 workbook.
Okay.
Science workbook, okay? So study your science workbook chapter 2 because we will have a science practice test. Do you understand? Yes, I do. No, I don't.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Yeah, me too.
No.
I am hungry. What will you eat for lunch? Very good, Bella.
I have pizza.
Oh, pizza. Will you give me some pizza?
I am chicken. Where is Chloe today?
Oh, you can deliver it to me, Campi.
Where is the school? Are you at school? How does have one
Yeah.
pizza to eat.
It's okay. I can
the
eat one pizza.
lunch. But is it on my house? Yeah.
Can you give me one slice of pizza?
Okay, now to just I'm done.
Okay, very good.
Happy versus Teacher Mario. Who will win the pizza? Teacher Mario.
Only me.
What?
Only me will eat the pizza. Or else I will eat everyone. Because I'm very hungry, Tiger.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, very good.
I thought you were a fish. Yeah, I am done.
Very
You are
good.
a fish wish. You need a meat.
Do you think I'm a fish?
I think you're a fish wish.
Mm.
Teacher Maria.
Don't forget to study
Sandwich, but it's a-
chapter 2, okay?
Fish wish.
Who likes vegetables for lunch?
I love vegetables, but it's carrots.
Only carrot?
Really? And a steak. And
Steak.
That's not a
Wow,
vegetable.
that's delicious.
And salad sausage. That's not a vegetable. Teacher,
Yes?
อาเซล็อกโตแปลว่าอะไร
Again, pakay.
อาเซล็อกโต Show you อาเซล็อกโตแปล
I don't
ว่า
know. Otto, can you help
แปล
me?
ว่าสลาเมนเดอร์ Teacher, I'm done.
Very good.
Teacher, do you know auto drive? And
Oh, class,
Auto
listen,
drive.
everyone, listen. Pakay, he has a question. Pakay, what's your question?
on and done เสร็จแล้ว
Oh, okay. All right. So I think that's all for today, everyone. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you, students. Goodbye.
Goodbye.